Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the Bosch E19 error code dishwasher. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the Bosch dishwasher's E19 error indicates a malfunction in the heat exchanger system. In Bosch dishwashers, the heat exchange reservoir stores water before releasing it into the dishwasher. Now, when the drain valve encounters a problem, the dishwasher fails to fill with water as intended. Now, in this case, there are a few steps that you need to do for you to resolve this issue. So first is inspect the wires and plugs for any signs of damages or loose connections that may affect the heat exchanger system. Replace the faulty heat exchanger drain valve to restore proper functionality. Now, it's also important to exercise caution in disconnecting the dishwasher from your power before conducting any checks or replacements to ensure safety is recommended. Now, if the issue persists after replacing the drain valve, further investigation or professional assistance may be required to solve the E19 error and restore the dishwasher's normal operation. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.